I'm just 36 hours away from flying back out to Spain for another Camino Frances, maybe another Camino after that. But first I'm breaking in my brand new backpack, which I believe is the best backpack for me for Camino de Santiago. And I'm going to show you exactly why. And also in this video, I'm going to show you some packing tips and lots of other stuff that's going to be very useful for you if you're going on Camino. Well, here I am in Spain at one of my favourite albergues, Albergue La Morena in Ledigos. I've done a packing video from here before, but today is all about this awesome backpack from Atom Packs. I've been using an Atom Pack backpack, the Pulse, I think for over 10 different Camino routes so far, and it still looks brand new. But it was a 50 litre, it had a frame, and I packed pretty light for Camino if you've seen the packing videos. So I decided that I'd get in touch because I thought maybe if I'm packing really light I could design with Atom Packs a pack that would be better for Camino, where you need less stuff. You don't need a sleeping bag and different things like that. So here it is, this is the Atom. Hopefully I'm giving you a clue here to the weight. It's about 400 grams, completely empty. And it's an absolute beauty. It hasn't got a frame that would normally happen. So if you're carrying a weight over about 5 kilos, you'd probably be better off with the Pulse from Atom Packs, which has a very light frame in, meaning you can use a hip belt so most of the weight is on your hips rather than your shoulders. But if you're going to go under 5 kilos, then this is as far as I'm concerned, the best backpack for Camino. Either way, they're both made by Atom Packs, but I've not been paid. This isn't a sponsored video. I just love what they do. I love their craftsmanship, the friendliness of the service, and the sustainability of the fabrics they use. So pretty much all of this is EcoPack, which is made by Challenge Sailcloth, which makes all of the best fabrics in the world now for ultralight hiking, like Dyneema and Ultra and all of those sort of things. It's almost waterproof, pretty much is waterproof. The only water that can get in is through the seams, but we use a nylofume liner inside this, which then will make everything waterproof. So there's no need for a waterproof cover and stuff like that some people use, which still lets the water in anyway. So that's going to save you some weight. So let me show you around the pack, because you can design it yourself on their website. You can come up with all your own designs, but I'll show you what I designed. So this is a custom 35 litre. You can go down to a 30 litre. And if I was just doing Camino, I probably would only use a 30 litre, but of course I bring cameras and stuff to do exactly what I'm doing now, so the extra 5 litre is handy. You have a choice of a Dyneema stretch pouch on the front, or you get bullet netting. The bullet netting, actually, you can fit a little bit more in, and it's great on hot days to dry your laundry, because as you can see, there's a lot more holes in it. It's a lot more breathable. You can fit 2, if you're a big water carrier, you can fit 2 1 litre bottles in either side on these pockets, or carry whatever it is that you need extra. If you've got your flip floppy type things, if you've got those, they're going to go in there great. Whichever you want to do. It fits at the top, instead of the brain sort of thing that all the heavier backpacks like Osprey and Deuter use. This is the roll top and clip shut, which really works great and saves a lot of weight. I added an extra little thing on here, which Atom Packs call an avocado pocket, because it's about the shape to carry an avocado if you want to. I use it personally for my pegs on for Camino, for hanging my laundry out, so I don't end up wearing my pegs all, they're in my laundry bag, and then I have to get it, they're just there when I need it. Also on the outside of the pack, let's turn it round. You have a choice. I chose, I like to carry my water in the front, so you've got a built-in pocket right here at the front, so as you're walking along, it's right there to grab. You don't have to do that reach behind sort of thing. And you can get it on both sides if you want to carry 2 bottles. I use some daisy chain here because I needed something that holds the camera that I'm currently talking to you on, and a nice magnet so it's easy for me to get when I'm doing the recording. But you can have 2 water holders there. Some people could put a water bottle in there, and they can use it for their phone or something on the other one if you wanted your phone at the front. But it's good to have things at the front. If you want to, there's an optional way of having a hip belt. I don't use a hip belt under 5 kilos because I don't find a need for it. And with the fact that there's no frame, a hip belt's not really going to transfer too much of the weight to your hips anyway. So instead of having all the weight on your hips, the bonus you've got with this one is a lot more freedom of movement when you're walking, to the point that you forget you've even got a pack on. There's another secret pocket at the bottom. So if you do want to reach under when you're doing it, what have I got in here? I've got a carry bag in case I go to the supermarket. You can put your laundry in, but that all fits in there. And at the other side, there's just like a tiny little hole, which is great that if you've just had a snack or something, you've just got that wrapper and you don't know where to put it, you can just tuck it in there and you can deal with your litter later on. On the inside, before that, you have bits of elastic. You can choose the colour of the elastic, you can choose the colour of the sides, I've gone for more Camino colours on this one, blue and yellow. I called it the Pilgrim when I did it. I call all of my backpacks a name, crazy as that may sound, but this is Pilgrim. Pilgrim sits here right next to me. If I open it up, this is the Nyla fume, so it's like a clear bin liner, really. This bag is almost completely waterproof except for the stitching, but then of course when you've got everything in this bag that weighs absolutely nothing, 10 grams or something, rolled up at the top, you are completely waterproof, no need for a cover or poncho that goes over it. And that's it, folks. Nice and simple, 400 grams, feature packed, and it's going to last you an absolute lifetime. I've walked Camino in with, should I say, an awful lot of backpacks. I've walked with Osprey, 2 different kinds of Osprey, a Deuter, Montaigne, quite a lot of different ones. These are all big names, and they do not come close to Atom Packs. It's a bag for life. It takes a bit of a time to order it, but you'll be so glad you did. So, my opinion only, if you're going to carry less than 5 kilos, get to Atom Packs and order yourself an Atom. Frameless. It's important how you pack this, by the way. One last thing. Because there's no frame, you need to pack it in a certain way so you don't feel lumps in your back. I use one of these bags, I put all of my clothes in, I fold it over a few times, so it's like a kind of a thin pillow. I put the thin pillow on the inside bit there, then my heavier stuff goes to the bottom, and I do it in stacks on the outside, so I've got a nice padded bit on my back. If you go a little bit more to the Pulse, the slightly heavier model that's got a frame, tiny little carbon fibre or whatever it is, frame in it, with a hip belt, then you can carry it more on your hips and you don't feel this stuff in. Both great packs. More than 5 kilos, Atom Packs Pulse. Under 5 kilos, total weight, Atom Packs Atom. And look at this for service. They even sent me a postcard with my pack, wishing me a great journey. It's just those little touches that make it special.